Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you step by step on how to activate your Digistore24 account and start promoting instantly. Let's dive right into the process. Step 1. Visit the Digistore24 website. Begin by navigating to the official Digistore24 website. You can do this by typing Digistore24 into your search engine or directly entering the URL www.digistore24.com. Step 2. Sign up for a new account. Once you are on the home page, look for the Register or Sign Up button. Click on it to start creating your account. You will be prompted to fill out your details, such as your name, email address, and password. Make sure to use a valid email address you have access to. Step 3. Verify your email address. After submitting your registration form, check your email inbox for a verification email from Digistore24. Click on the verification link provided in the email to confirm your account. Be sure to check your spam folder if you don't see it in your inbox. Step 4. Log into your account. Return to the Digistore24 website and log in with the credentials you just created. You will need your email and the password you set up during registration. Step 5. Complete your profile information. After logging in, fill out your profile information. Navigate to the account settings and complete any missing details such as payment information, tax information, and your promotional preferences. This step is crucial for getting set up to receive commissions. Step 6. Choose your niche and products. Once your account is set up, take some time to explore the marketplace. Browse through the various products available for promotion and select those that align with your niche and audience. Look for products with high commissions and positive reviews. Step 7. Get your affiliate links. After selecting the products you wish to promote, generate your unique affiliate links. This will allow you to earn commissions for any sales made through your link. You can usually find this option in the product details page. Step 8. Start promoting. Now that you have your affiliate links, it's time to start promoting your products. You can use various platforms such as social media, blogs, YouTube, or email marketing. Create engaging content that highlights the benefits of the products to attract potential buyers. Step 9. Monitor your performance. Keep track of your sales and performance metrics on the Digistore24 dashboard. This will help you understand what strategies are working and where you might need to adjust your approach for better results. Step 10. Optimize your strategy. As you gain experience, focus on optimizing your promotional strategies. Experiment with different marketing techniques and the channels that yield the best results. Stay updated with the latest trends in your niche to remain competitive. Remember to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up, as it greatly helps us grow and reach more aspiring marketers like you. Thank you for watching.